Hello viewers, today I am showing how to create Maza account. You will get virtual Visa card, direct deposit, account number, routing number. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe now and press the bell button. Let's go to the video. Viewers, connect a US IP. If you don't know how to connect IP in phone, check I button and end of the video. You will show how to connect IP in phone. Open Play Store and search Maza. You showing the Maza app. Download and install it. I already installed it. Now click open. You showing welcome message and now click new account button. Must be use a permanent number like Google Voice. Then click confirm. Enter your OTP, check your phone number. Input email address and click continue. Now enter SSN first name and the last name and click continue. Accept the term and condition. Select SSN and click confirm. Type SSN DOB. Here you type SSN update address. You can update from true people or being verified. Press state address and you show the accurate address. Okay, it automatically fill up. Now click continue. Confirm. Click confirm. Continue. Now you type your 9-digit SSN number. Digit SSN number, then click verify with SSN. This is final step. Now application is complete. Now wait few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. If you will not receive successful notification within few minutes, then you understand your Maza account will be not activated and it will be declined. So wait for confirmation. We showing a notification account approved. Automatically log the account. This is the Maza dashboard. Click card option, touch the card, click reveal card info and enter the OTP and show the card detail. Just wait few seconds. This is the card info. Now click home button. Okay, here you show money, add money option. For account number, routing number, click direct deposit and click use account info. Okay, this is routing number and this is account number. Copy and paste for future use. Viewers, this is great process. I think it will be help to you create a Maza account. Again, I said if you new our channel, quick subscribe now and press the bell button. You will get fast notification. Thank you.